Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can share your Canva design by email. And this is really simple to do. As you can see, I've got some YouTube thumbnails here that I want to send to somebody and to be able to share them via email so that somebody can come in and maybe edit these or maybe give some feedback to them. What we need to do is make sure that we have our project open in Canva. And what we want to do from here is head up into the top right-hand corner of the screen where it says share. From here, where it says people with access, we can see that I currently have access right now as the owner, but what I want to do is actually click on the plus sign where it says add people, and basically from here I can click this bar up here and add an email address of anybody that I want. So in my case, I'm just going to add an old email address of myself. And then what you need to do and make sure of is that you are selecting the right permissions for this person. So if you click down where it says edit, you can either let them edit on it, you can let them comment on it, or you can only just let them view it. How much access you want to give them is completely up to you. I'm just going to keep this with can edit, and you can also add some notes to it as well. So I could leave a message saying sort this mess out. You do also have the option to create a team with this person by switching to Canva Teams. This is actually more of an upsell from Canva. You don't need to go ahead and do this. But when you're ready to go, you can go ahead and click share. And what this is going to do is send an invitation to that person. They will get on their email, and once they've accepted it, they will get added as an editor to this project. Hope this video helped, and I'll see you in the next one.